Hello students, this is topic 6. This is topic 6 and the topic is significant figures. It is significant figures. देखिए जो यूनिट हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इट इज़ यूनिट एंड डायमेंशंस, यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट, और तकरीबन 6 और 7 क्लिप्स में हम इस टॉपिक को एक कंप्लीटेशन दे रहे हैं ताकि आपको पूरा मॉड्यूल समझ में आए कि इस टॉपिक में हमने आपको एक कंप्लीट चैप्टर कैसे दिया. देन 5 टॉपिक्स वी हैव क्रिएटेड ऑलरेडी. नाउ द 6th टॉपिक इज सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स को आप ऐसे समझे कि जब हम अपने बैक डिस्कशंस में, अपने पिछले टॉपिक्स में जब हमने डिस्कस किया था लीस्ट काउंट, then we know that least count is the minimum measurement which an apparatus can measure. Such as the least count of scale is 0.1 centimeter. It means scale can measure only one place after decimal if you measure it in centimeter. In the same manner, vernier calipers and screw gauge, the least count of these two devices are 0.01 centimeter and 0.001 centimeter. So now significant figures, suppose a number is 6.78 centimeter. That number is 6.78 centimeter, and it is given that this measurement has been done by a device named as a scale, a general scale. Then we know that it is out of the limit of the capability of a scale. A scale can measure up to only one place after decimal. So how you can measure this 8 and by using a scale? So if you measure 6.78 centimeter by scale, only 6.7, this much answer, 6.7 centimeter will contain all the numbers as significant numbers, and this 8 will known as non-significant number in this explanation. So एक common discussion है कि जब अगर हमें किसी apparatus की capability, उसकी quality है मालूम है, तो जितने place तक apparatus की capability है up to that place, the answer will be taken as a significant answer up to significant figures. But after that, if you take 8 and this measurement is made by scale, then this 8 will be non-significant in the answer. So this much answer 6.7 centimeter will be significant, and this 8 is not considered a significant number here because scale does not have the quality to measure two places after decimal. But if the same reading 6.78 centimeter is made by vernier calipers, then according to fundamental, we know that the least count of vernier calipers is 0.01 centimeter. So on that we have all the three figures, all the three are significant. All the three are significant figures. Significant. So in this way we can explain that if a number is 6.78 centimeter and the measurement is made by scale, then only two figures are significant in this explanation. But if 6.78 centimeter is measured by vernier calipers, then all the three figures are significant figures. So this is the basic fundamental of significant figures. अगर जनरल डिस्कशंस में बात करें तो किसी apparatus की कैपेबिलिटी का मेजरमेंट है कि वो किस प्लेस तक मेजर करने के लिए एलिजिबल है, इफेक्टिव है. अगर हम यही मेजरमेंट स्क्रू गेज से करें, then 6.789 centimeter, and if measurement is made by screw gauge, then we can say that all the four figures are significant. All four are significant. So if we are discussing about a measurement and we know what is the device by which this measurement has been done, then on the basis of least count of the device, we can explain the number of significant figures in our answer. So significant figure किसी apparatus की capability से connected term है. जिस apparatus की least count जितनी है उस बेस पे ये decide किया जाएगा कि किस place तक हम आंसर को एक significant मोड में कंसिडर करें और किसके बाद के नंबर को नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट माने. So if 6.78 centimeter is measured by scale, then only 6.7 will be the valid answer. This 8 is considered as a non-significant figure. In 6.78 centimeter by vernier calipers, all the three figures are significant. But if 6.789 centimeter is measured by screw gauge, then all the four figures are significant figures. So significant figures is a topic associated with the quality of apparatus. So this is a common discussion about significant figures with apparatus used in the measurement. Now consider a case in which a number is given only. Suppose that there is a number 6.792 and we have to give an information about the number of significant figures in the number. Then as a normal mathematical rule, this is not a number in physics. In physics, every number is connected to a unit and the device by which measurement has been done is also given. But 6.792 is a common number and the question is to find the number of significant figures in this. Then there are some rules to measure number of significant figures in a common number. देखिए ये पूरा डिस्कशन जो है ये दो पार्ट में डिवाइडेड है. एक सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर का प्रॉब्लम वो होता है जिसमें आपको एपरेटस की क्वालिटी के बेस पे सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर कंसीडर करने होते हैं. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस विद एपरेटस होते हैं, एपरेटस का नाम दिया जाता है साथ में, एंड इफ यू नो दैट द measurement valid by this apparatus is up to 2 places of decimal, then all the numbers up to 2 places of decimal are considered as significant numbers. Besides all these numbers, if some other numbers are also there in the answer, then these are known as non-significant numbers. अब इसी तरीके से देखिए 6.792, this is a common number and we have to give an idea about the number of significant figures in it. Then all the 4 numbers are significant. So common rules क्या है? पहले एक जनरल आइडिया है कि अगर किसी कॉमन नंबर पे जिसको हम विदाउट एपरेटस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसमें ये हमें कंसिडर करना है कि कितने सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर हैं यहाँ पर इस नंबर में. तो कॉमन रूल ये है कि किसी भी नंबर के सपोज 7.9 इज ए नंबर, देन इफ यू टेक नंबर ऑफ जीरोस ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द नंबर, देन ऑल दीज जीरोस आर कंसिडर्ड एज सिग्निफिकेंट. If you take some zeros in the left of the number, then these are not significant. These are not significant zeros and these are significant zeros. And if there is any zero midway between two non-zero numbers, then all these are considered as significant zeros. So these left zeros are not significant. These zero are significant zero and these zero are also significant. एक rule पर और ध्यान दें कि if a number does not contain any decimal in it, such as like this is 1 lakhs, it is 1 lakhs and there is no decimal in this number, so in these type of problems right zeros are not considered as significant numbers. So in this case right zeros are not considered as significant numbers. So this is 6.792, all the 4 numbers are significant. In these type of numbers, left zeros are not considered as significant, right zeros are considered as significant numbers, middle zeros are also significant, and if a number does not contain any decimal in it, then zeros on the right are also not considered as significant. In scientific manner, this number is equivalent to 1 into 10 to the power 5. So scientist gives an idea that only one number is significant in the expression. You can write these 5 zeros in this manner. So if you write 1 lakhs, then कुछ इस तरीके से आइडिया लगाइए कि अगर हम 1 lakh लिखते हैं तो according to the explanation given by scientists, हम एक approx explanation दे रहे हैं किसी नंबर का. तो ऐसे नंबर्स को एक approx नंबर मानते हुए इनके राइट हैंड जीरोस कंसीडर नहीं किए जाते हैं. So there is only one significant figure. Left zeros are not considered as significant, right zeros are significant, middle zeros are significant. If decimal is not there in the number, then right zeros are non-significant zeros. Similarly, in the same number, if we have a decimal, then 6 significant figures are there in the number. Then all the 6 are significant figures. So 1.00000, the number of significant figures are 6. In this only one significant figure is there. In this number, all the right zeros are significant, left zeros are not significant. So these are basics of finding significant figure in a number if apparatus is not given. तो एक जनरल आइडिया है कि significant figure अगर किसी apparatus से associated question पूछा जा रहा है, then it depends on the least count of apparatus that how many significant figures are there in the number. But if question is based only on a number, then the common rule is to consider all the right zeros as significant, left zeros are not considered as significant, middle zeros are significant, and if number does not contain any decimal in it, then right zeros are non-significant zeros. So this is a common idea about significant figures with apparatus and without apparatus. Now there is one discussion also. It is operations and significant figures. Operation and significant figures. It means some operations of arithmetic are there and we have to consider significant figure. It means we have to give our answer up to significant figures. So first operation is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. So first two operations are addition and subtraction. Then what are these operations? Addition and subtraction. Consider two numbers are 2.679 and 1.64. Then if you add these two numbers, we will get the answer is 9, it is 1, 3 and 4.319. The two numbers which we have to add contains respectively 2 and 3 places after decimal and a minimum of 2 and 3 is 2. So your answer will be valid up to 2 places only. So up to significant figures, the answer of this addition will be 4.31. You can cancel this 9 and since it is more than 5, so you can make 1 as 2. So answer will be 4.32. So 4.32 will be the answer. It means the simple law is to consider the answer up to least numbers in your numbers given. अगर आपके किसी नंबर में 2 प्लेस है, किसी में 3 है, तो आप अपना आंसर 2 प्लेसेस तक ही दे सकते हैं अगर आप अपने आंसर को सिग्निफिकेंटली देना चाहते हैं. So 4.32 will be the answer of this summation. Similarly, if you have the question as 2.791 minus 3.1684. Suppose this is the question. Suppose 1 is there, 1.1684. This is 2.791 and it is 1.1684. Then if you subtract this number by this number, you will get 6, it is 2, it is 2, and it is 6, it is 2, it is 2, it is 6, and finally it is 1.6226. 1.6226. This is the answer. But the question contains 3 places in first number after decimal and 4 in the second number. So your answer is valid up to 3 places after decimal, 1.622. And by cancelling this 6, you can make it as 3 and it is 1.623. So 4.32 will be the answer of this addition and 1.623 will be the answer of this subtraction. So addition answer is 4.32 and in subtraction it is 1.623. So this is the common rule कि addition और subtraction की problems में जितने numbers आप add कर रहे हैं या subtract कर रहे हैं उनमें जिस number के पास सबसे कम numbers हैं after decimal, then up to that place answer will be considered as significant answer. अगर आप numbers add कर रहे हैं more than 2, then like the question is 9.72, 6.8, 5.445 and 6.22, then by summing these we will get 5, 8, it is 26.385, and since second number contains only 1 place after decimal, so answer will be significant only up to 1 place after decimal. Cancel this 5, cancel this 8 and make this 3 as 4. 26.4 will be the answer. So if you add all these 4 numbers, then 26.4 will be the answer, and up to only 1 place after decimal answer will be considered as significant because the numbers given contains the minimum 1 place after decimal out of these 4. So this is the law for addition and subtraction and finding the number of significant figures in the answer and how to make your answer up to significant figures. This is the method to proceed this problem. Now the next operation is to multiplication, multiply and divide. Multiplication and division. Multiplication, division. This is the first operation is to addition and subtraction, and second is multiplication and division. Now want to multiply, if you want to multiply 7.24 and 2.75. Suppose we have to multiply these two numbers, 7.24 and 2.75. Then the product of these two numbers will be like after multiplying we will get 7.24 and 2.75. The product is 5 4 is 20, 5 2 is 10 to 12. It is 36. It is 50. 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14. The sum of all these, the product is 0. It is 21. It is 199100. And if you make a decimal, it will be 19.9100. So product of 7.24 and 2.75 is 19.9100. But the two numbers given, which we have to multiply, contains only 3 places, 3 significant figures in it. So answer will be valid up to only 3 places. It is 19.9. The product will be 19.9. So थोड़ा डिफरेंस एडिशन और सब मल्टीप्लिकेशन के रूल में, एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन में डेसिमल के बाद मिनिमम प्लेस कंसीडर किए जाते हैं, लेकिन मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन में जितने प्लेसेस नंबर्स में यूज होते हैं उनमें जिसके पास सबसे कम नंबर्स हैं उसे सिग्निफिकेंट कंसीडर किया जाएगा। एक यहाँ पर कंसेप्ट क्लियर करें कि इसमें डेसिमल के बाद 2 प्लेसेस हैं, and this number also contains 2 places after decimal. 2 places are there after decimal, 2 places are there. But our answer contains only 1 place after decimal because the law of multiplication is not as the law of addition. Addition requires numbers after decimal. Addition का रूल डेसिमल के बाद कितने नंबर्स हैं इस पर डिपेंडेंट है, लेकिन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ये देखा जाता है कि जिन नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया जा रहा है उनमें मिनिमम कितने सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर्स हैं। जैसे इस नंबर में 3 फिगर है, इसमें 3 फिगर है, तो आपका आंसर केवल 3 प्लेस तक दिया जाएगा। And this contains only 1 place after decimal. It doesn't matter in the answer. कई बार स्टूडेंट ये सोच के कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि there are 2 numbers after decimal, there are 2 numbers after decimal, so we should give our answer up to 19.91. But this is not the theory. मल्टीप्लिकेशन के रूल एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन के रूल से अलग है। मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ये नहीं देखा जाएगा कि डेसिमल के बाद किसके पास कितने प्लेस हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ये देखा जाएगा कि टोटल कितने प्लेस हैं। This number contains 3 places, this number contains 3 places also, so your answer will be 19.9 only. You should not consider 100 as significant. So 19.9, this is the answer up to significant numbers, and 100, these 3 are non-significant numbers. So this is the law to multiply and divide. So this is the manner. आप समझ रहे होंगे कि मैं एक बार क्लियर कर देना चाहता हूँ कि एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन के रूल्स अलग हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन के रूल अलग हैं। मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन में जिन नंबर्स पर ऑपरेशन प्रोसीड किया जाता है उन नंबर्स में जिसके पास सबसे लेस सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स हैं उतने तक आंसर कंसीडर होता है, एलिजिबल होता है। जैसे यहाँ 3 प्लेस, देन आंसर विल बी अप टू 3 प्लेस ओनली। इफ द नंबर्स आर, सपोज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 1.75 एंड 2.4, then after multiplying you will get it is 0, 24 5 ja 120 and 24 7 ja it is 168. So the summation is 180, 18 is carried here, 24 1 is 24 and 18 is 42. It is 4200. The product of 1.75 and 2.4 is 4.200. But the second number contains only 2 significant figures. So answer will be valid up to 4.2 only. 4.2 will be the product of 1.75 and 2.4. This is the law to make multiplication and division. Same will be the rules for division also. So multiplication and division contains a type of law, and addition subtraction contains a law of different type. These are the basics for finding number of significant figures without apparatus, with apparatus. What are the themes, what is the theory for operations? So this is a brief idea about all the data, all the basics of significance.